Little mathematicians, have you heard the nursery rhyme Humpty Dumpty? It goes like this. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Have a go of singing it with me. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. We're going to use the idea of Humpty Dumpty today to help us with a bit of our maths work. I have a little clip of what this could look like in real life. Let's take a look.
Hey Red, can you get me some eggs, please?
Sure, Daddy. Daddy, the eggs dropped.
Oh dear, did you see what happened? When the little girl opened the fridge, the eggs fell out. They're on the ground here. This is a carton with eggs inside of it. How many eggs fit in this carton, little mathematicians? Take a look, come up with what you think, and share your idea with somebody next to you. This carton fits 12 eggs inside of it. Sometimes you might hear somebody say, I want 1 dozen eggs. 1 dozen is 12. So this egg carton fits 12 eggs, but we don't know whether there were 12 eggs inside or not. How many eggs do you think are inside? Make a prediction. What do you think was inside this carton? You might not be able to get exactly how many eggs were inside, but you definitely know there weren't 13. Do you think it would have dropped as heavily and as loudly as it did if there was only 1 egg inside? What do you think? How many eggs do you think were inside this carton? Well, little mathematicians, I'm going to show you how many eggs were inside this carton today. Let's take a look. This is how many eggs were inside the carton. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9 eggs in this carton today. My next question is, how many more eggs did we need to make it a full carton of eggs? How many more eggs were needed for there to be 12 in this carton? 3 more. You can see there are 3 empty spaces. For this egg carton to be full, there would need to be 3 more eggs. I have another mathematical question for you. How many eggs do you think didn't break? Some of these eggs broke today when they fell onto the ground and some didn't break. How many eggs do you think didn't break? How many eggs do you think are still fine to be used? I'm going to show you how many are left. Are you ready? There are 9 eggs in this carton. This is how many eggs are left. These eggs didn't break. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 eggs are still fine to be used. So there were 9 in the carton. 5 are still fine and they didn't break. How many did break? See if you can solve that problem. Share your thinking and share your ideas with somebody nearby. 9 eggs were in the carton. 5 of them didn't break. How many did break? How many did break? Here's a picture of the eggs that didn't break. We already spoke about those. There were 5 eggs that were still fine to be used. 5 eggs didn't break. But here in this picture, how many eggs can you see that are broken? How many eggs broke today, just like Humpty Dumpty? 4. 4 eggs are broken in this carton. There were 9 eggs. 4 of them broke. So now we have 5 eggs left in this carton. Today we used a real life situation to solve a mathematical problem, and that happens a lot. Thanks for looking at Humpty Dumpty with me. Great work today.